Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this review of this Hauser Germany Iconiq gel pen, which I bought in offline store. When I check for the online availability and details, this is coming with like package. This single unit I purchased for 20 rupees. I'll show you the price here. This I purchased in the offline store, MRP 20 rupees, one for there would be one pen inside this. I purchased the blue, and this is Iconiq gel pen. See here, Hauser Germany Iconiq gel. Just I'll try to write down something and I'll show you how it is, and I'll share you my personal experience also. And one more thing, I just draw this 3D sort of letter R using this, and this is just with the hand only. I draw this, no scale or nothing like that, so this didn't come up good, but yeah, this is decently good. Okay, and here this got 4.8 rating, and it is of pack of 30. Okay, for 400 rupees. Yeah, if possible I'll be attaching in the view products. This is not a recommendation video for purchase or something. Let us just take this out first. Yeah, so okay, this is how the pen looks. First of all, just we'll look at the pen, and yeah, the grip is good. First of all, the grip is decent. Okay, plastic only, no rubber sort of thing anywhere. Okay, there is Hauser branding, Hauser Germany here. Okay, and the spring, okay, spring operating pen, and this is gel. Okay, uh, and please do comment about this letter R here. Maybe it didn't come up good, but okay, yeah, maybe I can just write one or two words here, so that you will get to know how it is. Directories. Actually, my writing is not good, but when I am writing with this gel pen, uh, it is decently good here. Maybe directories, sorry, directions. Okay, first of all, hosts are right. Tasks, and see here, if you observe, this is thick blue, and this is not completely sort of gel and not completely sort of ball pen, but in between, and the writing comfort is pretty good. See, maybe I can just write something. Yeah, the writing speed also is comfortable. When I'm writing something, I feel comfortable. Even to sign, this is not my sign, okay, but for signing purpose also this is good, maybe if it is accepted. Yeah, this is Hauser Germany Iconiq gel pen. And please do comment, leave about this my handwriting, but the pen is decently good. At the price of 20 rupees, I feel this is good. Okay, yeah, please do comment your opinion also.